If you like peanut butter and espresso, then you'll love today's sweet treat. We're making peanut butter and espresso cookies. These cookies are chewy and gooey all around and a delicious treat for the week. These cookies are sure to make your week. So pull out your baking sheets and let's get cooking. Measure out 1 3/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of espresso powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, add half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 sticks of room temperature butter, and mix until it forms a smooth paste. Gradually add our dry ingredients and mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until fully saturated. You're looking for a fluffy, dough-like texture. Refrigerate for 1 hour. For the filling, mix half a cup of powdered sugar, half a stick of butter, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, and mix until it forms a smooth, buttery paste. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Roll out the chilled dough to about 1/4 inch thick, and then use some cookie cutters to carve out pears for our cookies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We can then pipe our filling and stack. And boom, you have a wonderful, creamy treat. Serve this with some vanilla ice cream, and you can't go wrong. If you enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.